Okay, today I'm going to be talking about a new app that we've added to Salesforce called Build-A-Boat. We've actually been prototyping this for the past year or so with some customers, and now we're just kind of making this generally available to all customers. So this video tutorial is just going to cover some of the features of this new app for Salesforce. First, just to kind of go over some of the key features of this app. Essentially what this tool does is it allows you to create boat records pretty quickly and easily with just simple point and click techniques. It's great for creating your stock boats that you're ordering on an annual basis or for doing custom orders for customers. What's nice is it can be done with the customer on obviously your computer screen, but also on a tablet, maybe in the showroom or at a boat show. It does allow you to do some real-time pricing discounts based on your desired sales margin. So if you're wanting to change that sort of price for the customer while you're building the boat so they can kind of see exactly what they're getting, the tool allows you to do that. Once you've selected all your options, it's then real easy to print the full boat with all the options you've selected in case you want to just print it out and give it to them. And then finally, if you're doing some more advanced level pricing quotes and window stickers, you have the ability to then generate those quotes and window stickers with the click of a button right in Salesforce. All right, so let's take a look at this. What I've done is I've just simply gone to our teamMarine1.com website. I'm going to click on this Try It Starburst here, and then just click on this See Trial button here to go actually into our demo site to play around with this. Once you're into our Sea Trial demo site, just to start by clicking on the Build a Boat link here on the left-hand side of the screen. And that'll bring up the initial Build a Boat screen where you can then proceed to select the brand of boat that you wish to build. I'm going to be building a Nautique. And now I'm presented with all the Nautique models that we've loaded into the system. We do provide stock images when possible. And just hovering over these images just gives you a larger representation of these models. And then the starting MSRP on these models over here on the right hand side. So I'm going to be building a GS24, so I'm going to click on that. And that brings up the actual Build-A-Boat screen with all of the options for this particular model. So here you got all your standard features listed at the top. These just are obviously the standard features that come with the boat. And I could upgrade my engines here if I wanted to, but otherwise I'm just going to proceed to actually build out my configuration. And again, this could be done for stock purposes when you're ordering your boats. Could be done with a customer ordering a custom built boat that they want to buy. It's great for doing at a boat show or in your showroom because you can do it on a tablet. We do offer built-in pricing adjustments here, so you can see on the left-hand side is the actual MSRP of these options, and next to that is the actual price to the customer. And so if you're doing some real-time pricing discount, like in this example, it shows the total savings to the customer. You can actually turn this off if you want to just do straight up MSRP pricing. We just simply turn that off, and now you're just building a boat straight up MSRP, which would be similar to what the customer might have done on the manufacturer's website. Now to control this pricing discounting here, we do offer some hidden features here under this config button. So if I wanted to actually change my price, my sales margin on this particular build, I could just come in here and change it if I wanted to be a little bit more aggressive with my pricing. You'll notice as I change that sales margin and click off of it, the actual prices then change in the pricing column, and likewise the savings to the customer changes as well. So you can always just kind of do this on the fly, change your margins, which then changes your pricing configuration here. You've got your freight and prep, which may be something you need to modify. All of these numbers here are controlled by default settings. You can do that down to the model level. If you've got different freight and preps for your different models, those can actually be set as defaults. As I select those options, obviously they then just get presented here as my bullet point list. And so I just proceed to build this boat with the customer for stock purposes. Once I'm done, if I wanted to just simply print that, I just click the print button. And this just gives me a nice sort of printable view of what I've selected on this particular model. Once I've done building my boat, I just click Save. And now I have my actual boat record in Salesforce. At this point, if I had some additional advanced level features like window stickers and price quotes, I could generate a window sticker. So here's the actual boat that I just built. All of this pricing information would, of course, be customized to the way you're set up. But this just gives you the ability to now generate a nice single page PDF that you could print or save for this particular boat build. At this point, if I wanted to now generate a quote for a customer, I could just now go ahead and add a new interest here, do a search for my customer, search for the boat, here's the Nautique that I just built, here's the sale price that was set, doing a price quote here. Let's say the customer was a walk-in. Now I've got my sales deal record created. At this point, if we've got price quotes set up, just click the price quote button. Here's my price quote. Print this, save it, email it to a customer, sales contract, etc. All working off of the boat that I just built in Build-A-Boat.